Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Python on your computer. First, Python is a popular and powerful programming language used for a wide range of applications, from web development to data analysis and machine learning, artificial intelligence, and many more. So, for installation of Python, first let's check if Python is already installed on your computer. For this, open the command prompt or terminal and type python version and hit enter. If you see a version number displayed, then Python is already installed, and if not, continue watching this video. So now, to download Python, go to the official Python website at python.org and click on Downloads tab. Choose the appropriate version of Python for your operating system. If you are unsure, select the latest version of Python 3. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and run the installer. On Windows, select the Add Python.exe to path option during the installation process. On Mac, select the Install for all users and Add Python X to path options. After the installation is complete, open the command prompt or terminal again and type python version to verify that Python is installed correctly. You should see the version number displayed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Python on your computer. Now you can start exploring the world of Python programming and develop your own applications. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and programming tips. Thank you.